Hello everyone, welcome to the class on business statistics where I'm discussing the previous year question paper. And in this class, I'm going to discuss the time series problem which came in the year 2018. So if you see the trend of how this questions are coming from this chapter called time series analysis, the question is always from the least square method. Although in my previous session I have discussed about different forms of analyzing a data whenever we have data based on time series. If you are going to work on time series, it is very important that you can go through the two videos of which I have developed specially for you people to make you understand the concept of time series. The previous problem we did in that the number of years was given as even, and which came in the year 2019. And in this session, I'm going to discuss the problem which came in 2018. And here you can see the number of year given for the data is only 5 years. So when the number of year given is odd, then finding the median of the year would be very easy. So 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, the median years would be 2015. Now you would be wondering why I'm finding the median year because you must be aware about that when we talk about time series analysis. If and please make sure that you watch my the previous video first before going through this video. In time series analysis, this is the equation of the trend, linear trend y equal to a plus bx. And in order to work on this trend, we need two constant a and b, and that two constant we get by these two equations. Sum of y is equal to na plus b sum of x. Another equation we use is sum of xy is equal to a sum of x plus b sum of x square. Here, we do all possible permutation combination to make sure our sum of x to be zero. So we'll introduce a variable called x. I'll introduce a variable called x where x is equal to year minus the median years. Whatever the data is given, I'll take the median of that data and I'll take that as a median year, uh, uh, and that I'll subtract from all the remaining all the years given so that the sum of x should be become zero. And once we get the sum of x to be zero, then I'll find the value of a is equal to sum of y by n, and I'll get the value of b, another constant, as sum of xy by sum of x square. Okay, so going to this question. So here in this question, the variable, the other variable, dependent variable is the production in metric ton, and some historical data is given to us. The production for this company from year 2013 to 2017, and I'll use this data to estimate the production for the 18 and 19. Okay, guys. So what I'll do, I'll go to the Excel here, Excel workbook, and here already I've written down the data. So all the years from 13 to 17. Okay, this was the production which was given. Okay, and I took the sum of this. This is the sum of this value. Okay, and then what I did, I introduced a variable called x, where x is equal to year minus 2015. Why 2015? 2015 is the median year. Why 2015 is the median year? Because if you see here, the number of data is 5. So the median year, if you want to find, so how will you find the median year? I hope you remember the concept of median. So the median is n plus 1 by second observation. Total 5 data is there. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2, that is third observation. So your third observation is basically 2015. So that is your median year. Clear everyone? Fine. So I'll subtract all the year with 2015 so that I'll get the sum of x is equal to 0. This is the sum of y. This production I took, always the dependent variable will take as a y. Okay, then I took the square of this, whatever x we got, I took the square of that. I'll get sum of x square is equal to 10. Okay, then I multiplied my x with y, so I'll get sum of xy is equal to 2103. Simple calculation, x into y means 186 into minus 2. So 186 into minus 2. So 1, this is x1, 186 into minus 2. So 1, so the 186 into minus 2. This is y into this is your x minus 372. This I'll do for all the year. Fine. And then this is the sum of that. That is 129. So I'll take this value. So x square is minus 2 square minus 1 square 0 1 square then 2 square xy is multiplied this x and y 186 into minus 2 minus 372 194 into minus 1 minus 194. This is 225 and this is 470 and the sum of that is 129. Then I'll find my a. What is my a? A is equal to, you know the equation. The equation is sum of y is equal to na plus b sum of x. Here the sum of x is 0, so I'll get the a very easily. Sum a is nothing but that is sum of y by n. So sum of y by n is total 5. So if I take the sum of y by n, so n is 5. So the sum of y is 1050. Divide by 5, I'll get 210. Okay. Similarly, I'll find the value of b. Similarly, I'll find the value of b. How will I find the value of b? There's another equation. Sum of xy is equal to a sum of x plus b sum of x square. So the value of b is nothing but sum of xy by sum of x square. So with this, I'll get the value of b. So that is sum of xy by sum of x square. Fine. So I'll get the value of b. So I'll get here the value of b. Once I get the value of a and b, so I'll get the equation. So what is my equation? So my equation y, we write the equation as equal to a plus bx, that is 210 plus a plus 12.9 into x. So this is your equation. Okay, once you get this equation, what I need to do, I have to estimate the value for 18 and 19. So 18 and 19, what is the production in 18? If I want to estimate production in 18, so that is nothing but that is 210 plus 12.9. What is x? X is year minus 2015. That is your x. Your x is year minus 2015. I want 2018 data. So this is 210 plus 2.9, 12.9. This is 218 minus 2015. I get 210 plus 12.9. This is equal to 3. So I'll get the answer as 212.9, 12.9 into 3. Okay. And this I'll add with 200. This I'll add with 200. This I'll add with 200. So I'll get the production in 2018 as 248.3, 248.7. That is 210 plus 12.9 into 9. Similarly, I'll estimate the production. Similarly, the production in 2019 will be how much? That will be again the same thing, 210 plus 12.9 into year minus 2015. 2015. Fine. So this will be 210 plus 12.9 into 2019 minus 2015. So you'll get the value called 261.6. That is your production in 2019. Very simple. So 12.9 into 4. So 12.9 into 4, 13 4 is 52. So this is 52. So this is around 261.66. That is your answer. Very simple. I hope guys you understood this very simple problem. So already I did the problem where even years were given to us, and this was a problem which came in 2018, where odd years were given to us, and we could able to do this very easily. I hope guys you have understood this. This was very easy problem, so no need to drag too much on this kind of problem. Time series analysis 5 marks question used to come in exam, and which you can do it very easily. So with this, I like to wind up the class. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Take care.